All right, so you've spent $10,000 on a professional kitchen setup. You bought a hood powerful enough to hover a small drone, but when you cook, your house still smells like smoke? Or worse, have you ever noticed your ears popping when you close the front door? It's not your hood that's broken, it's physics. And today, I'm gonna show you exactly why your expensive ventilation system is choking. To understand your kitchen, you have to understand that air is a fluid. It moves just like water. So think of this bottle as your house and the water as smoke, grease, and heat that you want to get out of the house. This is a modern airtight home without a makeup system. Here, I'll demonstrate it really quickly so you can see. You see that turbulence? The water, or in other words, the smoke, is trying to leave, but physics won't let it. Now we poked a hole in the bottom of this bottle to show you what it'd be like if we had a makeup air system installed in your home. Now watch what happens when we try the same experiment. We didn't change the size of the opening at the bottom, we just gave the air that is replacing your smoke away inside your home. When your hood is fighting against itself like the first experiment, it creates a vacuum inside your home. That vacuum is powerful enough to reverse the flow of your chimney, and that's called backdrafting. And we actually have a full video that you can check out all about backdraft and how to understand or troubleshoot it even more. And we have that linked in the description below. Okay, so is makeup air required by law? The short answer is yes, but only if your hood is over 400 CFM. According to IRC Section M1503.6, which is the International Residential Code for makeup air requirements, it mandates that the makeup air system be automatic. You cannot just open a window. The code assumes that you'll forget to open that window when it's 10 degrees outside. And frankly, the code is right. It's also a safety net to prevent dangerous combustion gases like carbon monoxide from furnaces, water heaters, and stoves from getting into the living space. This is especially critical here in Utah or anywhere where the temperature gets really low in the winter. If you dump negative 10 degrees Fahrenheit air into your kitchen through a passive hole, which is usually a duct that connects from your inside of your house to the outside with a damper waiting for the pressure to change, you're running the risk of freezing your pipes. In cold climates, you often need tempered makeup air systems that heat the air before it enters into your home. So, how do we actually fix it? There's two options. Option A is to have a passive system. It's basically a controlled hole in your wall. It's cheap and simple, but in winter it's cold, and it relies on negative pressure to work. Option B is to have an active system. This uses a fan to push fresh air in. It balances the pressure perfectly, like the smooth bottle we just saw earlier. You can heat the air, but it costs more. But you also need to remember, you wouldn't buy a Ferrari engine and keep the stock tires. An active system allows your luxury hood to actually do its job. Here's another simple test you can do in your house right now to see if you're having problems with pressure. First, turn on your hood to the max. Then unlock the front door. If it feels like it's glued shut, or if it feels like it's harder to open, or if it opens violently, your house is under pressure. Don't let your kitchen choke and give it the air it needs so it can work as best as possible. If you're looking for an upgrade for your kitchen, we have an amazing catalog where I'm sure you'll be able to find the perfect range hood at your home. Check us out at ProLineRangeHoods.com. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.